channel. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the new Anastasia bronzers. So if you're interested in knowing my thoughts on this bad boy, keep on watching. Alright, so let's get into the review. As I said in the beginning, today I will be reviewing the Anastasia cream bronzer. This is new. I got mine in the shade Caramel. And excuse my appearance, I know I look a little crazy, but it's gonna look better. It's gonna look better. If you're wondering what I'm wearing on my face, I currently love this combination right here. This is the Fenty Beauty hydrating longwear foundation, and mine's in the shade 260, and then I mixed it with the Ease Drops from Fenty Beauty in the shade 7. These two, Chef's Kiss. So this was released with a cream blush and a cream highlight. I just didn't get those two. I got the bronzers. I love cream bronzers. They are so good. So this is what it looks like. It's a little matte pot, and on the back it says the name and the shade. Stunning. I love her logo. It is very, very pretty. It's also matte, so it's gonna stay clean for a long period of time versus like a shiny container. So I love this packaging, but like thumbprints, it's gonna get dirty really quickly. So this is the look of this bronzer, and currently I really like it. I have not tried this on. It comes with like a little protective film over the bronzer, and let's swatch this for you guys. So that's what it looks like on the inside. This is the shade. This is Caramel. I like more of a warm bronzer, and that's kind of what that's giving me after I blended it out. So hopefully it's a good shade. It looks very creamy in the pot as well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. I'm gonna get some on the brush, and then I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand just to make sure that I don't apply too much. Okay. That shade is very pretty. I actually do like it. It's a warm shade, and it's very easy to blend out. As you guys can see, it's giving me bronzy summer vibes, and it's blending out easily. So if you put on way too much, you can blend it out really quickly with ease instead of like really dragging on the brush. This, I'm literally touching barely, and it's blending out that bronzer. So I really like that. That's very pretty. Another thing that I'm noticing is it's not picking up my foundation underneath, which I really appreciate, because some bronzers will pick up the foundation underneath, and I just really don't like that because then you like have to redo your base, and I don't appreciate that. But that's doing very good. I like to put it under my chin down here, and then on the jaws. Sometimes I'll even drag it down my neck, you know, just to combine the shades. You guys, that looks very pretty. Do you see that? Look at, I hope the lights are giving it justice. I don't really want to play with the lighting right now, but this looks very pretty. Yeah. And I don't really own a shade like this, so I'm glad I went with this shade. But this is very, very pretty. This is like summery, bronzy, golden goddess vibes, and it's easy to work with. So I'm gonna come back when the rest of my face is done, and I'll show you guys the final result. All right, guys, so I did go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup off camera. This is what we're looking like. Overall, this bronzer is really, really good, and I will be using it. I'm kind of considering getting the blush now, because if this and the blush are kind of similar formulations, I know that the blush is going to be stunning. But this bronzer, you guys, I highly, highly recommend it. It's 10 out of 10 for me. The packaging is stunning. It's a good amount of product. It's a pretty big container, and the color in this, I love the undertones. I feel like there's a shade for everyone as well, because I was looking at the shade range, and it is a good shade range. I feel like every tone can suit a good amount of skin tones. So if you're interested, I highly recommend it. I know that you'll find the one for you. It is very easy to work with, very blendable, smooth, and like buttery. It's so good, you guys. Very pigmented as well, but it's not like overly pigmented to the point where you'll mess up your makeup and have to redo it. This is not going to cause you to do that. This, you can literally apply so much and literally blend it out within seconds. It's super easy to work with. I promise you will not be disappointed. This guy right here, very, very good. If you're interested in the shade that I got Caramel. It is like a warm, light bronzer. I feel like I thought this was a lot darker, but it's not. It's very, very good. So I highly recommend this. I cannot speak any more goodness about this. Try it yourself. I promise you, you won't regret it. Also guys, if you guys enjoyed today's video, definitely give me a like. It helps me so much if you guys give me a little thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.